Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss the word problems. Word problems which is based on profit and loss, including the profit and loss. So today we are going to discuss the word problem of exercise 10.3. First question is there in the exercise 10.3. A pen was bought for rupees 20 and sold for rupees 25. Find the profit percent. So the cost price of pen is rupees 20. Selling price of pen equals to rupees 25. When selling price is greater than cost price, so we have a profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. What is the selling price? Rupees 25 minus cost price rupees 20. So we have a profit of rupees 5. Rupees 5 is a profit. Now percent of profit. What is the formula? We have discussed earlier. Profit divided by cost price, because this profit is on cost price multiplied by 100. When profit is rupees 5 divided by cost price 20 multiplied by 100. This 100 is divisible by 20. How many times? 5 times. So 5 multiplied by 5, we got 25. In this way, 25%. What is the profit? 25%. Selling price is given to you. This is 20. Cost price is given to you 20. Selling price is rupees 25. Profit is selling price minus cost price. So 25 rupees minus 20 rupees, we get the profit 5 rupees. Percent of profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Profit is 5 rupees and cost price is given 20 rupees multiplied by 100. So we got 25%. So this is the solution of first question. Now student, we will take the third question of exercise 10.3. These are the book question of your exercise 10.3. So I am taking the third question. Ganesh bought a scooter for rupees 45,000 and sold it for rupees 40,000. Find his loss percent. You have to find the loss percent. Now, cost price of scooter. What is the cost price of a scooter? Rupees 45,000. So this is the cost price of a scooter. And the selling price of a scooter rupees 40,000. Now we have to find the loss. Loss is when cost price is greater than selling price. So rupees 45,000 minus rupees 40,000. So we have a loss of rupees 5,000. Now we have to find the percent of loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. What is the loss? 5,000 rupees divided by cost price. What is the cost price? 25,000 multiplied by 100. So 30 will be cut 3. This 45 is divided by 5 9 times. 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9, the answer is 11.1%. So the answer is 11.1%. When you divide 100 by 9, you got answer is 11.1%. Cost price is given to you. Selling price is given to you in the question. You have to find the loss. Cost price minus selling price. You have to minus both the entities. Then you got the answer 5,000. You have to use the percent of loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. What is the loss? 5,000 divided by 45,000 multiplied by 100. You got the answer 11.1%. Now student, we are going to do the fifth question of this exercise 11.3. This is the third question. Fifth question is given to you. 250 gram of butter was bought for rupees 54 and sold for rupees 52 rupees 50 paisa. Find the loss percent. So cost price of 250 gram butter. How much? Rupees 54. Selling price is given to you. Selling price rupees 52 rupees and 50 paise. Now we have a loss. When cost price is greater than selling price, we have a loss. Cost price rupees 54 minus selling price 52 rupees 50 paisa. Now when you minus 54 rupees minus 52 paisa, you got 1 rupee 50 paisa loss. So loss is 1 rupee 50 paisa. Percent of loss, we have 1.50 paisa, or formula loss divided by cost price multiply by 100. Loss 1 rupee 50 paisa divided by 54 rupees multiply by 100. Now student, when you remove this point, 100 will comes down. When you remove this point, what will happen? 100 will comes down. This 100 will cut down this. So you have to divide 150 divided by 54. When you simplify it, use the table of 275 divide by 27. When you again simplify, then what will happen? 325. When you use the table of 3, here 9. So 25 divided by 9. The answer you got is 2.77%. What you got the answer? 2.77%. This is the answer. This is the loss percent. 2.77%. This is the loss percent. Now student, we are going to do the seventh question. This question, cost price is given to you, selling price is given to you. You have to find the loss. Cost price minus selling price. 1 rupee 50 paisa is the loss. You have to find out the loss percent. Loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. When you simplify, you got the answer 2.77%. This is the loss percent. Now student, we are going to discuss the seventh question of exercise 10.3. The seventh question. Vishnu bought a sofa set for rupees 55,400 and sold it at a gain of 8%. Find his selling price. So cost price of sofa. Cost price of sofa set is rupees 55,400. But he is having a gain of 8%. As we all know, this 8% gain is on this cost price. So 8% of 55,400. 8 divided by 100 of will be converted into multiply. 55,400. This 0 will be this. When you divide 554 with 8, you got the answer 4,432. So this is your answer. Rupees 4,432 is the answer. Now we have found the gain. Actually we have found the profit. Profit is 4,430 rupees. We know the cost price, so we can easily find the selling price. Selling price, when profit and CP is there, what is the formula? Cost price plus profit. what will happen? Cost price is what? 55,400 plus 4,432. When you add 55,400 with 4,432, 23895 rupees 59,832. This is the answer. This is the rough work we have done. So cost price is given to us of sofa set 55,400. Gain is 8%. This gain is on CP. So 8% of 55,400. So we find out the answer 4,432. Selling price, when CP is there and gain is there, cost price plus profit, 55,400 plus 4,432. The answer we got is 59,832. So in this way we can do this type of question also. Now student, we are going to do the ninth question. We are going to do the ninth question. A book a bicycle bought for rupees 6,800 and it sold at a loss of 5%. Find the selling price. So cost price of bicycle, 6,800, and we have a loss of 5%. For this 5% loss is on CP. So 5% of 6,800, percentage will become 200, of will be converted into multiply 800. Now you will multiply 68 by 5, 44, 65, 30 plus 4, 340. Rupees 340 is the loss. Selling price, we have to find the selling price. When cost price is there and loss is there, so cost price minus loss is the formula. Cost price is 6,800 minus rupees 340. 6,800 minus 340, 0, 7, 6, 4, 6460 rupees 6,600, 460 rupees. Cost price of bicycle 6,800, loss is there 5%. So this 5% is on the cost price. 5% of 6,800, we find the loss of 340 rupees. When cost price is there and loss is there, selling price equals to cost price minus loss. 6,800 minus 340, we got the answer 6,600, 460. Now student, what is the homework for today? Do question C. Question C consists of 1 to 10 of exercise 10.3. You have to do question C. Question C consists of 10 questions, 1 to 10 of exercise 10.3. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I have done on the board, so it will be easy for you to do the other questions also. So this is the homework for today. Thank you students.